Hello lovely people, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to be making one of the healthiest soup. Our main ingredient is okra, so we'll be preparing okra soup with no oil. I will also add garden eggs to this okra and we shall be cooking it with no oil. I'm washing the okra right now. I'll go ahead and cut the okra into the sizes I want. After which I will cut some garden eggs in addition to the okra and also some onions. The onions is optional but it adds some flavor to the okra. Please go ahead, click the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. I've placed a saucepan on fire. I will add water to it. Allow the water to come to a boil and then I will add some saltpeter to it and also put in the okra and allow it to cook for some time. As soon as our okra begins to boil, we must be alert to make sure that it does not pour over. While the okra is still on fire, I went ahead to prepare my meat, but I didn't know my camera was not recording. So here I have some meat, some chicken, and I've added garlic, onions and ginger to it and also added some salt and seasoning cube. So our okra is now ready. I'll take it off the fire and transfer the meat. After some few minutes, I'm checking on the meat and I'll stir it and mix everything together and allow it to continue cooking. In here, I have some smoked fish. I'll go ahead and prepare this and add it to the meat. Here is our smoked fish that I've prepared and some locust beans, that is dawa dawa. I'll go ahead and add it to the meat and then I'll mix everything together. In here I have some fresh ground pepper and just one fresh tomatoes. So I'll go ahead and also add it to the meat. It is now time for us to transfer the okra into the meat. I'll add a little water to this and adjust the salt because the salt was not enough, and then I'll allow this to simmer for some few minutes and our soup is ready. Our healthy oilless okra soup is now ready. This can be enjoyed with banku, TZ, kokonte, but let me know in the comment section what would you enjoy this soup with. For us, we enjoyed it with TZ. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly go ahead and click the subscribe button and press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And please do not forget to like the video and leave a comment down below. See you in our next video. Bye.